Mama's journey.
Hi everybody! Hello po sa inyong lahat. So, today's video, we're going to show you what's inside Yume's bag. This is the bag that he will, oh, you sit down. This is the bag that he will bring inside the plane, his carry-on. Yeah, because we're going to the we will ride an airplane because we are going to the Philippines. Yeah.
Mama.
Okay, so Yuma will show you guys what's inside his bag. This is his busy bag. To keep him busy, it's just like more than 4 hours na flight. So it's not that long, but still. Yeah, okay. Can you show the guys? Can you show them? No, you show them one by one. You sit down. Okay. Okay, what do you have? First, meron siyang bread. This is a vegetable bread for kids. And then he got his towel. And then what's inside? And his mask.
Mama.
Yeah, that's your mask. You
What?
sit down, baby, so they can see you. Yeah. This is his mask. Yeah. We're planning to eat breakfast before we ride the plane. So, just in case lang na magutom siya. Yeah, we have his bread. And then inside, naku, ang dami nito. Okay, what do you have there? Okay, this is his busy suitcase kuno. Mini suitcase. Can you show them? You show them. You open it here. Okay. Okay, what do you have, Yume? This?
Oikaki.
Oikaki. It's an art materials. So, meron siyang crayons. Actually, nabili ko to. Mas malaki yung packaging ng crayons. Pero, bumili na lang ako na nalagyanan para mas madali siyang bitbitin and mas compact siya. Ayan. And then, meron siyang drawing book. Ayan. Yume loves animals. Yan. He loves animals, dinosaurs, and Paw Patrol. Diba? Oh. So, he has his coloring book, crayons, and then meron siya mga stickers. Stickers ng animals. And animal again. Ayan, ito naman gagawa siya ng mga ng sariling face ng animals. And then meron siyang, I think it's also stickers, felt. Ayan, pang busy-busy niya. And then he also got dinosaurs stickers. And what else do you have? What's this? Oh, this is a paint color, water paint. Ayan. Ay, by the way, dahil meron siyang gantong paint color, water paint, wait baby. Binilan ko din siya ng gantong kaliit na container para dito niya ilalagay yung water. Ayan, para hindi masyadong messy. So, inside this is meron siyang dalawang small container. Actually, pang ano to eh. Cosmetic yata. Ganyan siya. So, hingi lang tayo ng water. Ayan. Para ayan. Diyan yan ilalagay. Para makapag-water paint siya. So, meron siyang water paint here. And then, what's this, baby? Ampaman? Ayan. Ito, mini activity book na ampaman. And then, meron din siyang, ayan, madami siyang felt paper na stickers. Puro siya animals. And then, what else you have here, baby? You show them what else do you have. So, ayan yung nandito sa kanyang mini suitcase. Oh! Ayan, meron pa siyang snacks. Okay. What snacks do you have? Oh, by the way, meron din siyang, this is yours, right?
Yes.
Yan. Ayan yung camera niya. Dadalhin niya rin to. Magpipicture-picture siya. Parang si mama.
Hi.
Hi! Yeah, so he have some snacks. So, ayan. He has some snacks din.
That's gummy.
Yeah, gummy. You have to sit down here, baby, so they can see you properly. Okay, so meron siya dyang, ayan, choco and some gummies. And Ampaman chocolate. Siyempre, hindi niya po uubusin lahat yan, no? 4 hour flight lang naman siya. He will not eat everything. So, bibigyan ko lang siya kakunti-kunti dyan. Siyempre, pag medyo naiinit-init na siya. And then, meron siyang cookies.
This
Gummy.
Pokemon.
Is it a Pokemon? Yeah, meron siyang may Pokemon daw dyan.
Then,
Gummy with this gummy.
Shark.
Shark! Wow, do you like that?
Yes.
And then,
Jalariko.
Jagarikot. By the way, guys, this is a famous snack dito sa Japan ng mga kids.
My
Ano to siya?
God, Jalariko.
Potato siya. Potato, hindi siya chips beets. Ayan, masarap siya. Medyo crunchy siya. So, gustong-gusto ko ng mga bata dito.
Ato,
And-
cookies.
And chocolate cookies. Yes! You're so good, ha? Parunong ka mag-vlog, ha? Okay, what else do you have? Wow! What's that? What's that? Okay, this is a look and find book. Nako, mga mommies. Ayan, recommended ko yung mga look and find na mga books, lalo na pag nagka-travel kasi ano siya,
Mama.
yeah. Makakaubos siya ng oras. Especially, yan, mahahanap-hanap niyo sa kanya kung nasan yung mga images, something like that. Ayan. So, recommended natin yung mga look and find na book. So, this is Ampaman look and find book. O sagase, kumbaga sa Japanese. So, you want to show the guys?
Yeah.
Oh, you show them. What's that? Ampaman look and find book. So, ganyan siya, ne. Ayan.
Mama,
Like that?
share it.
知ってある？知んないよ。It's a book. Okay, what else do you have here? Okay, so what else do you have there? Ito yung kanyang first aid na pouch. So, meron siya dyang ito pang ano to, pang insect repellent sticker siya. Animals pa din. Tapos meron siyang on-the-go toilet. Hindi to kailangan sa plane kasi may toilet naman doon. Pero nakasama to dito kasi pag nag-travel. And this is eye drops. Para pag medyo ano na siya, yung eyes niya is tired. Ayan, eye drops siya for kids. And then, another eye drops. Ay, ito naman, kapag itchy naman yung kanyang, kapag makati yung kanyang mata. Ayan. Galing yan sa doctor, sa clinic. And then, ito naman, ayan, pan-disinfect kapag nagkaroon siya ng sugat. Okay, what else do you have? Galing niya mag-vlog.
Then,
No, what's inside? Ayan. Ito naman ang kanyang mga band-aids. Si Yumi po, napakahilig niya sa band-aids. Super hilig niya sa band-aids. Konting kibot band-aids siya. Kaya lagi ako maraming band-aids.
spin.
May nail cutter. May nail cutter kasi mahilig masulub-sub to. Tsaka, ano yung kanyang nails? Masyadong soft. Mana siya sa akin.
Mama,
Ito yung mga, can you show them your, your bansoku? Ora. Meron siyang Paw Patrol.
Papa Shore, Jenny is circle. Nobody you again. Ali Charlie.
And then, meron din siyang Ampaman. You have Ampaman. Can you show them? Ampaman.
Punch. Nita.
And then, he also has Dinosaur Band-Aid.
Dinosaur, run!
What?
Dinosaur, run!
Di ba? May kanya-kanyang song yung mga, ano niya, yung characters niya. And then, what else do you have? You're so good, baby. Good job. Okay. They can show you. Sit down, baby. Okay, what else do you have? This is for...
Cookie!
What? This is for insect bite.
Then, itay-itay!
Mushi, di siya mushi sa sare. Okay, this is for sa mga ano tag dito. Scratches, burns, ganyan. Para siyang cream.
Then, today,
ayan para naman sa kanyang mga pag nagkaroon siya ng kati-kati.
Kasi then, itay-itay!
Yes. And then meron din siyang wipes for eyes. Ayan, for eyes lang. For eyes to. So, ayun po yung laman ng kanyang mini first aid pouch. And then, meron pa siyang pang arts. Yeah, he has this. What's this, baby? Oo, pang color. Seal din siya. Stickers. Ayan. Ayan. Nabili lang karamihan sa mga sa mga art materials na dadali natin. Nabili lang namin sa
it there?
No, we will bring this to the airplane, right?
Okay.
Okay. So, good boy. So, ayun, nabili namin karamihan dito sa, sa 100 yen shop. Ayan. Tapos, meron siyang ditong toy. Ayan, can you show them?
Guru.
Guru-guru. Spinner toy.
Then, Hanabi.
It's not Hanabi. Ito, glow in the dark siya na parang gagawing bracelet. Ayan. Pwede niya rin yung paglaruan sa loob ng airplane. And then, last but not the least, he has his, what's still, baby?
Dobutsu.
Yeah, dobutsu. In English, animals. Ayan, sticker book din siya na animals. Ito, siya, reusable yung kanyang stickers. Ayan. So, magagamit niya pa ulit-ulit.
Zero Haro.
Yeah, you like your animals, no? You like it? You love that?
Yes.
Okay, will you show the guys? This is my sticker book.
Mama, that's good. Dobutsu.
Oh, you really love your eye. Hi, can you show them? Yeah. So, that's it, guys. Ayan, empty na yung kanyang bag. Yun ang laman ng kanyang carry-on bag. His busy bag, right?
Yes.
You like everything? What's
Yeah.
inside?
Then, animals.
And animals. Are you excited to ride an airplane?
Yes.
And go to the Philippines?
Yeah.
And we will be uploading some videos of our vacation in the Philippines. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, you say bye-bye na to the guys.
Guys, eat this.
Oh,
Guru.
spins? Yeah,
Spin.
spins. Yeah, that's a spinner toy. So that's it, guys. We'll see you again here on Yume and Mama's Journey.